Hi guys, this is Jan, and sorry about my talking, but as you may know, I had a stroke about a year and a half ago, and the nurse accidentally knocked out my teeth when she was cleaning them. So now I can't get a job. No more time me can talk like this, and I can't work to earn the money because I talk like this. So everyone out there, I know I love you all. I had the gift of knowing you and having the ability to read you, and we had so much fun. I gave you a place maybe to live or stay, and I need your help now. I do. If you could just help me out with my GoFundMe with $5 or $10, whatever. I really want to be able to talk and work and stuff, and I love you all, and we had so much fun together. And so if you could help me, it would mean so much to me. Thank you, I love you all.